Talk, episode, what is it, close to 50 or something, right?
50 episodes.
Yeah?
Wow.
Something like that.
I don't know.
Herbie, what episode is it?
Are we supposed to keep track of this?
We can tell you watch it. Insurance Talk with Erica Rivera. like from the Rubio.
Like from the Rubio. She's from Erica Rivers.
Yes,
River with an A. My all-time favorite football player is Philip Rivers.
Okay.
Hot.
What do we him?
Well, he traveled and had 20 kids.
Go Derek Carr, yeah. So speaking of variants,
we're talking about that.
Erica Rivera, you're about to have a big transition coming up pretty soon in the next couple of weeks. You've been with TRA, the realty agency, for how long?
5 years.
5 years.
Just under 5 years.
5 years you've been working as a realtor in the Yuma community.
Yes.
You've been an actual licensed realtor for how long?
The same, 5 years.
5 years.
I went straight into real estate, 100% of that.
Prior to being in real estate, you worked for the city of
Yuma.
Okay, and you're coming to an endpoint with them.
I am. So after 20 years, yes, 20 years, I did everything from law enforcement to human resources to contract management, just all sorts of
It's like
areas
Valentin
in the spectrum. And so
Landscaping.
landscaping,
Okay. So you're with the city of Yuma. You're coming up on your 20-year anniversary.
20 years, yes. July 17th will be my 20th year, and my last day there will be July 19th.
Okay.
So working night, right now I work 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. So, and then full-time there, full-time here, real estate 24.
She can do it all.
So,
I tell you.
let's talk about 2020. How did you do in real estate in 2020?
So I did very well, thank God. I was considered part-time, but I actually capped.
So you want a baseball cap?
I did win a baseball cap.
So what does it mean to cap with the realty agent?
So it means you meet, so after a certain amount of sales and a portion of your commission goes towards the brokerage and the assignments that are the responsibilities as part of the brokerage being with the realty agency. So what that means is once I meet that amount, I get 100% of the commission.
Woo! So the quicker you wear your baseball cap, the quicker you get.
The sooner you fill that baseball cap, that means you get more.
You get the entire ball.
Lucas 0 for 3 tonight.
Exactly.
Okay.
So yeah, absolutely. Roughly $10 million in sales in 2020
Wow.
as a part-time agent.
That's really good, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Now we're in 2021, different year. Prices on homes are a little bit higher than they were in 2020, unfortunately, right?
Yeah.
But I mean, will it make it easier for you to cap?
So yes, so yes and no. And a lot of my clients are new construction clients. That is a great thing for them because they signed contract at an early stage where they were able to take advantage of those prices, the low prices. However, now that we're coming to my first client actually who signed contract last year in July is actually getting ready to get, I'm handing keys today as a matter of fact. Exciting. But of course, we had the pandemic and we had some setbacks. Raw supplies were in demand. They were behind. So builders were behind on a lot of their construction.
Are they catching up now?
They are catching up. They're starting to catch up. Thankfully, there's been we don't have lumber prices going up anymore.
They kind of like
they're plateauing right now. And
the workforce is back out again.
we've never had as many jobs available out there as we do now.
Okay.
We just need employees
To
or
work.
applicants to actually go in and get out there and work.
And so we're actually transitioning. I think a lot of people are now
Right.
starting to look for work more. A lot of people are vaccinated now, and
Yes.
we're talking about this new thing that's happening in England. What's it called? The variant.
The variant.
I mean,
Yes.
I was about to say tea and crumpets.
and I hate to call you the variant, but what makes you different from the rest of the 800 and some realtors that are out there? What is your variant?
Variant. Wow, that's a good. That's I would never see that coming or being described as the variant. But I think the years of expertise, the knowledge that I'm backed up with. I have economic development experience. I know what we need in Yuma, Yuma County as a whole. I am a statistics girl. I love running stats. I love running numbers. I specialize in right-of-way, which is not necessarily what's above ground, but below. Your infrastructure, sewer lines, water, anything.
So if I want to have a house with a basement, I need to go talk to you.
Absolutely.
Are we
There are
right
many
now?
places
What
here.
if it's an unmarked grave?
Well, we actually, so that goes into title and doing your research on title and running a title report and see what we can
Well, what
find.
they have. So
Exactly.
you're very good at doing the undercover work
I love the
on the
research.
properties that you're
Absolutely.
selling and on the new developments that are out there.
Right.
You can tell
Right.
a client if this is a good place to buy or not.
Yes.
You can recommend from
Absolutely.
the experience you have.
Right.
Standard.
And being, and being born and raised in Yuma, I've lived here for many years. And so I've seen Yuma grow, I've seen Yuma develop. I absolutely love how Yuma is growing.
So that's your variant. I mean,
Absolutely.
that's what makes you different from the rest of those realtors that are out there. The experience, the knowledge, being local,
Yes.
having insight to things that a lot of other realtors might not have.
Absolutely.
That makes you different. And I think that's what a lot of clients are looking for. Speaking of stats, what do the stats look like so far in the middle of the year? Are prices going to stay the same?
Are they gonna
interest
drop?
rate,
Yeah.
interest rate going to go up? Are they going to go down?
Yeah.
Give us your variant
Oh,
on that.
gosh, yeah, absolutely. So I get asked that a lot. So right now, the housing market. So speaking of just Yuma in general, we do have a little over 200 homes on the market.
Okay.
That's it.
That's
That is it. We are in negative inventory.
Yeah, that's
Which
not a lot.
is, it's
Well,
not
that's 200 homes available, and those are mobile homes or just residential?
everything all together. That's including manufactured homes, condos, single family dwellings,
Townhomes,
anything, exactly, anything out there is just over 200.
So if you want to buy, you got to get on top of it.
Yes,
And if
absolutely.
you want to get on top of it, you got to contact a realtor
Yes.
like Erica Rivera, and she'll be happy to help you, whether in English or Spanish, whatever.
Bilingual. Se habla español.
Se habla español.
We're gonna put that at the bottom.
Otro variante.
Absolutely.
So that's the good thing. That the local people can reach out to you, and you'll be on top of things to find them the house they're looking for, and then you have your insight with your professional history, being part of Yuma for all your life.
Yes, all my life.
Yes. Okay.
All my life.
We got to get you to dinner.
Here we go, Eric. Here we go.
We got
You
it.
got it out of you, Mike.
So that's what makes you one of the top producers for real estate, for the realty agency, the Yuma community. You got a lot of new things coming up. Your retirement from the city of Yuma, going full-time as a realtor. You got a special announcement you're going to break to us probably within the next 2 weeks.
Actually within the next few days.
Okay.
Yes, I do have a big announcement. I'm excited. It's only going to benefit clients in Yuma, buying and or selling.
She's hinting.
Yeah, I'm excited about this. It's been something I've been working on for about 6 months already,
Wow.
and so yeah.
A different variant.
Yeah.
Word of the day today,
Yes.
guys.
And this is word of the day.
Very.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
Oh, that's awkward.
Message us if you can actually guess before Erica posts what the announcement's going to be.
She's like giving too much away here.
Yeah,
I'm just
we're
like,
gonna have to edit that.
might as well just tell us.
Erica, where can our clients or people that are watching contact you to find out how to buy the dream home
Yes.
or the home of their dreams?
Yeah.
Whatever they're looking for, whether it's residential, commercial, if you get into commercial.
I do also have commercial experience, so yes.
So where can they contact you, Erica?
You can reach me at 928-581-3681.
And your email?
And my email is Erica Rivera Realtor at gmail.com.
Erica with a C or
With the C, yes.
With the
Thank
C.
you. Yes, it's Erica with the C. Yes, yes.
We'll have your contact information somewhere
Absolutely.
around there. Diana, where can they contact us?
At 928-783-1000, or you can reach us at our San Luis office, 928-627-8000.
And remember, guys, if you have any ideas or you want to promote yourself on Insurance Talk, send me an email at aaron.bguzman@farmersagency.com. My email will be somewhere. Herman, where are you going to put it? We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll let Erica decide.
Guys, thank you for watching Insurance Talk. It was a variant of a time.
That's not how you use that word,
That was
though.
pretty cool.
I just flowed
It just flowed, it just
Yeah,
transitioned.
yeah, exactly.
Erica, we'll see you with your new announcement pretty soon.
Yes.
And thank you very much for
Yes.
being on here.
Yes.
Stay
Thank you, guys.
tuned.
Stay
Yes,
tuned.
stay tuned.
Come to a